Would you like to know what the best paid work from home jobs are, and start to make money online from these remote jobs right away? Then keep watching. It's time to level up.
If this particular idea isn't something you think you'd be interested in, you should watch it anyway, as you might be pleasantly surprised. And during the video, you may think of someone you can share this with, who may still benefit from it. However, even if neither of these things happen during this episode, don't despair. Because near the end, we'll clue you in on how you can benefit from an even more lucrative path, for those of you who'd prefer to level up like a boss. Series 2, Episode 2, Online Moderator. Earning potential, $15 to $40 an hour. This remote job requires you to moderate online interactions in online forums, social media groups, and more. The day-to-day duties of an online moderator will usually involve answering negative comments, categorizing queries, and settling disputes. With the rise in digital communities and chat rooms, the demand for online moderators is expected to remain high for the foreseeable future. Community managers are responsible for moderating and organizing the audience of a brand or organization across social media groups, Slack channels, online forums, and other communities. Community managers may be expected to respond to questions, moderate discussions, and add and remove people from groups. The key to excelling in this role is allowing both sides of an argument to be heard, while ensuring that the community guidelines are followed by all members. The community's members should be made to feel that they are in a safe space where they can voice their perspective and contribute ideas and topics to discuss. This online job, which often has a fairly flexible schedule, is great for extroverts who don't mind communicating with people online, here and there, throughout the day. Community managers should be familiar with and enthusiastic about social media and have strong written communication skills. Contrary to popular opinion, you can start this work from home job without having any prior experience or a degree. There isn't an explicit qualification in how to effectively manage a Facebook group, for example, so anyone can do this. Applicants who are more familiar with the role may find favor, but ultimately, the deciding factor is how well you can communicate, entertain others, and build strong bonds. The only equipment you'll need is a computer, and obviously, a decent and reliable internet connection. Find jobs on Glassdoor, Cloudworkers, and Upwork. Good hunting!
Thanks for watching. You'll find links in the description to the things we've mentioned, and we've also shared a link to an insider secret strategy that can make you even more money for a fraction of the effort. We share life-changing videos like these each and every week. Don't be a dummy, subscribe so you don't miss out.